I just hope you are not playing games with me this night. I am serious. Where are you? Nga! Nga! Nga!
Because of our land. Why me? Where will I find my wife? Oh! Swim.
What happened to you? What? Where have you been? Hey! Omudima! I don't know what happened to my wife.
No, but please, I'm going to show you what I'm to you.
Elmo, please help me. My wife went into the night to ease herself and returned this morning like this. Elmo, please. I understand the goals of my forefathers will not disappoint me. That's why I came to you. Please help me.
Eji Mojiji ogaranya na aga m eje. Mana asị m gwọta ju voto ogaranya na aka ma dowe. Mata vunye na enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya nya. Udo. You speak wisely. The gods never forsake a man that demonstrates their faith. Ha! Hey!
Ezemo.
Oh, Walwo!
Is everything alright?
The spirit rapist and killer is here again.
Ezemo, meaning that my wife is dead, eh?
Your wife is dead.
Amber! Hey! Ezemo, what did I do wrong? Amudino! Hey! Ezemo! Hey!
Yes. Oh, you sun that rises every morning, and oh, you gods of Umudim that makes the sun rise, may you shine well upon my very self and a few good men from this village. But all you sun and gods, may you strike dead all the wicked people from this village. Strike them down. In case you don't know all of them, I have all their names. Yes, I will name all of them for you one by one. The first wicked person I want you to strike dead on my list is
Kenechukwu. Yes, as you pray to the gods to strike down, know that you're the number one on the list.
Mama, do you want to overtake the gods on the highway of Ndimo? I'm separate.
Osianya Wute is separate. Osianya Wute is special. In short, Nya Wute personally.
Ma, please, I'm communicating with the gods.
Alright, let me tell you, the sensible gods can never have any communication with you. And no do like you. It's only the foolish gods that can commune with you.
Mama, what you're doing is dangerous, so. What you're doing is dangerous. Do you want me to add you to the list of these wicked people the gods will strike dead?
Nah, your foolishness knows no bounds. So I don't blame you. Look at you. You're here. Your mates are
in the mortuary. Yes, those my mates you're talking about are in the mortuary. They are in the mortuary. All of them are in the mortuary. Some of them, they have hands, but they cannot raise their hands to eat okpa. Some of them have legs, but they cannot dance. Michael Jackson, they can't. Some of them have mouths, and they cannot sing.
Shut up! You're here doing Obikelele. Your mates are in the city, making money, sending money to their people. You're here drinking ogogoro and asking the gods to
strike them dead, strike them dead, strike them dead, strike all of them dead, strike them dead. Yes, strike all those city boys dead. Do you know how they make their money?
How do they make their money? How can you be here and know how they make their money in the city?
Mama, you should be proud of me. You should be proud of me. You wake up every morning, you look left, you see me.
Hey.
You look right, you see me. You go to the market square, you hear my story. You go to the farm, the animals will tell you my story. Those your friends who have their sons in the city, or some of those women who have their sons in the city, don't they tell you that they don't see their son in years? Hey. They don't see their sons in years? And the ones who see their sons Christmas time, those stupid boys will come here, they will do fashion parade for the girls. The next thing they'll get the girls pregnant. 9 months time, we'll hear the results in this village.
I want to hear results about you. Actually, no results about you, nothing from you. Look at Obiora. He has built a house for his father.
With evil money.
Ndubisi has sent his brothers to school.
With evil money.
Okechukwu has scholarship to
go to evil money. That's what all these boys are using. Evil money. Do you want me to be like them?
I want you to be better than them.
I'm better than them. I am much more better than them. I am better than those people.
Bestest. Look at you. They cannot do anything. Every morning you wake up, you go around running after rabbits. Running after crickets, as if it's not enough. He's only a scout, marching like idiot. Then those small girls you play with, the painful thing is that you don't even know their girls. You don't even see their Allah. Neither do you look at the uku. You don't even touch Tuanguambo to know if it is real. You don't know anything. You see them as fellow boys.
Mama, please. Let me communicate with my gods. Please.
Hi.
Okay.
Shimo, what have I done to deserve this mess?
Oh, you gods! Please forget about my mother just for now. Forget my mother for now. But strike dead all those wicked people. Strike them dead. Strike them. All the wicked people from this village, in this village, strike them dead. The ones who are abroad, strike them dead who are wicked. The ones right here, strike them dead who are wicked. The ones living, even that our neighbor, strike him dead. Yes. They Bartholomew. Can you imagine? Just because I was climbing the mango tree in his compound, he now started cursing my mother, cursing my sister, cursing my generation.
Hey.
Don't worry. Hey. I know he will soon, one day he will beg me for bushmeat. Yes, I know.
Ekene.
Hey, Lagos Boyoyo. Hey. Anna.
I do.
Chero. told you I'm here?
Your sister, of course.
Ebere?
Yes. In fact, as a matter of fact, she brought me here. I just dropped her off now.
I'm good though. I'm okay.
Let's go somewhere cool and relax and discuss as friends now.
Huh? Well, for what now? For what? Can't you see I'm busy? Huh? I'm busy.
What do you mean you're busy? Your friend came all the way from the city and want to go and chill and you're saying...
Okay, I'm busy. I'm helping Ginika wash her mother's plates. You know, customers will soon come.
Okay.
Alright. Wow. I don't have time for shit now.
No, Lambert. Lambert.
Sorry.
How are you now?
Fine, fine. When did you come back?
Yesterday.
Oh. Yes.
Hi. Are you still in the village?
No, where will I be before?
You know, I was thinking by now you should be in the city now. You know, the other time I was in the city, I think I saw Felice, yes, and he was doing very well. You know, and I don't know. So, how is your mother?
De Lamba.
Say Lambert.
Lamba. How long have you been out of this village? In fact, how long have you been living in Cotonou?
All my life.
Good. What have you achieved?
By the grace of God, I'm still alive and...
Chero, when your mother died, did you come back? Wasn't it your mother's brother who buried her? No. When your father died, did you come back? Did you bury him? When your father died after sleeping with Iche Thompson's wife, and then the roof of his old house fell on him, did you come back?
I was not.
Wasn't it one small chicken you sent that is slightly bigger than the pigeon? You sent? No. We know you now. We know you. 2 years ago, when you came back here, you gave people bread. You gave them cabin biscuits. Then you gathered all the old women, and then you were giving them powder to be putting on their necks, on their faces. Who came? See here. There's bread here. We don't lack bread in this village.
I was just advising you now.
You understand? Don't ever advise me. Don't tell me anything. It's better for me to be here and catch bush meat than to be in Cotonou and not have anything. We are not looking bread in this village. Come on, Zuza. Nonsense.
Ekene the village lizard hunter.
Okay, don't call me lizard hunter again. No, that was when I was a child. Now I am a big boy. I am a bush rabbit hunter, official bush rabbit hunter of this village. Thank you. And again, no, don't think because you have bought one nonsense that moves now, you are better than me. Let me just tell you now.
My friend, has it gotten to that?
It has gotten to that. Yes, it has gotten to that. You just feel because you have gone to the city and just made one evil money, you are better than every other person.
I did not stop here to quarrel with you. Okay. Besides, what gives you the impression, for Christ's sake, that my money is evil money?
It is simple mathematics. Yes, simple mathematics. In 2 years you left the village. You now went to the city. You now made money. How did you make money? That you are now building house in the village and you bought this nonsense that moves. How did you make it if it's not even money?
You know your problem. You are so backwarded.
You too, you are forwarded. Yes, you are forwarded.
Yes, because if you are not, you should be able to understand what civilization has done.
Okay, tell me the work you did in 2 years. 2 years in the city, just 2 years, okay, that made you buy a car. And you are building house in the village. What kind of work did you do, okay?
Oh, I cannot change. It is so sad that you not accept change.
You want me to change? I will never change like you. God will never allow me to change like you. I will never change like you, okay? I won't change. I won't change from being a Kene that I am to being a blood money shrine member like you. I won't. Never.
Oh. Ekene, it's so heartbreaking. I mean, it's so heartbreaking that my own childhood friend has no appetite for good living.
I am also ashamed that my childhood friend, who used to be a mass server in the village church, has gone to the city to become a blood money shrine usher. Yes, look at you. Okay, see now, you see the cross on your chest. Where is the Jesus on top? There's no Jesus on top, so you can be safe in your shrine. My friend, live here. Live here. Yeah, wait there, my friend. Okay, I know you. I know you. In 2 years you left for the city from the village. Your father died. Now you have started building house and you bought this thing that moves you everywhere. Okay, if we look for Mama Okay this December,
you're a madman.
Because I know that's your next target. Come, get out. If we look for Mama Okay, if we look for Mama Okay, okay, if we look for Mama Okay, all right. This is it. I told you Mama Okay. Sure.
Igwe, long may you live. The travails and the death of Ngozi, the wife of Udo, has once brought us together, face to face with our common enemy. But you see, Igwe, we are mortals. How can we then contend with a rapist and a murderous spirit? Ezemo, I want to ask a question. Is it that the gods can no more come up to do something? Especially now that our people's life are being threatened?
The gods, in their wisdom, will speak in due season. Of this full moon, the gods have promised to rescue us.
Ezemo. Well, I'm not in the place to question the decisions of the gods. But what do we do? What do we do before the fullness of the moon? This rapacious spirit, once it starts, does not stop until it devours and consumes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 souls. Ha! He consumed my beloved in his last outing.
Ezemo, you are the only one who can speak to the gods in the language they understand. Tell them we are waiting impatiently. Igwe, whatever measure that can be taken before the intervention of the gods can only be done or decided by you.
Live forever. Igwe, I am made to believe that this thing is not actually spirit. It's not an evil spirit, yes. This thing can be an evil man masquerading himself as an evil spirit. A man so depraved that he will go ahead and rape and kill a woman.
Can a mere man sleep with a woman and the woman goes back home and dry up?
A man that covers with bad spirits, acquires evil powers, he can go ahead and do all that. But I advise that we as men must rise up and protect our women. We must rise up and confront this spirit once and for all.
And how do you think we can go about it?
Your Highness, this spirit is a coward. I am not a coward. Yes, I am a ndoga. He's a coward. So I advise that from now on, we men must rise up to our responsibilities. We must take our wives and daughters to wherever they want to go. Yes.
Okonkwo, are you prepared to fight with the spirits? Or have you suddenly acquired supernatural powers that will help you to confront evil spirits face to face? Have you?
We have forgiven them. Your Majesty, have you seen what I'm saying? Huh? We have given this spirit a very big name. A name larger than fear. But I say, people like me, I am ready to face it anytime, any moment. He dare not try my compound for touching of my wives. Nonsense. Where come? Let's be a jabber here. Eh? More. Your Majesty. If him, Udo, had done what he should have done as a man, I tell you, that spirit wouldn't have been able to snatch his wife from him. Nonsense. Cowardice is not part of the game. We must rise up and face our challenges as men. Otherwise, our women will face with dangers, and we shall lose them very soon. All of them. Nonsense.
Ha! See, you missed too. Eh? Where were you when we were frying Gary at Ginika's place? You missed quite separate too.
It was my mother.
Hey.
We don't want to know where she sent you. Yes. Okay, let's go and take your trap from there. Now go.
Yes. All I'm telling you people now is you people should just clear your throat for bush rabbit pepper soup today. Yes. You see, all the bush rabbits, they love me. Yes, they don't only love me, they love my trap. So when they see my trap, they say, ahua! They enter inside my trap. And they are okay.
Not only rabbits. Ekene? Rabbits and chameleon cannot resist the trap of Almighty Ekene.
Thank you. Don't worry. Let us go and check my trap and then later I will escort you people to go and fetch your water. Yes. Yes. See, animals. What is this now? Guinea. Okay. Ekene. Okay, Guinea. Why are you disturbing everybody? Are you the only person who lives in the city?
What is going on?
What is not going on? Did you forget your eyes in the city? Guinea. What?
I swear.
My friend, get away. What's that?
Ekene, you're supposed to be with your mates. Look at the time. You're supposed to be with your mates. I mean, you should be reasoning and thinking of how to better your life and become a better person in the society. And you're here moving around with women.
Are you better? You carry a moving akpatiozu. You know this thing, this motor looks like akpatiozu, a casket. Let me ask you people, you people that said you went to small school. What is the past tense of casket?
Casketes.
You don't know anything. It is castrated. Yes.
Castrated.
This motor and are castrated. They are castrated.
Castrated.
Come, don't touch this. You want to be castrated too? See this mouth you used to tell me that nonsense, This mouth you use it and be telling mechanic that will be disturbing this your castrated motor nonsense. Come carry this moving Pachoso out of here. Nonsense. Come on, get that from here. Castrated, okay? Castrated motor, castrated, okay? Leave here. Nonsense. Somebody. They think because they come from the city they can intimidate me. They don't know who I am. Scout Master Ahura in this village. Nonsense.
I like it.
Scout, we! We. Oski, we. What is our motto?
Be prepared.
Good. Lot 3.
A scout duty is to be useful and help others.
Good. You, Lot 8.
A scout smiles and whistles under all difficulties, sir.
Good. Ekene, Lot 7.
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good. Today we are going to the river side to clean the bank of the river as required of us as the scout of this community. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sir, please, I'm just a separate question because you say we are going to clean the bank of the river. Let us not forget we have boys side and girls side. So what about the girls side? Because that's my interest. You know, that side is always dirty, and this is the time they take their bath. So are we still going to clean that side?
Ekene, what is law 7?
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good. Attention! At ease. Attention! At ease. We'll leave that side for the guest brigade. Our duty is to serve the community and humanity.
Sabiko, another separate question. What about animality? You keep talking about humanity. What about animality?
Ekene, keep quiet! What is law 7?
Hi. A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
And for your information, we do not have animality. We have humanity.
I don't agree. Animals have their own litty, no. You say humanity. Animals have their own litty. Animality. Yes, because I love animals and animals love my trap.
Keep quiet, Ekene. Give us law 7 for the last time.
A scout must obey his patrol leader or scout master without question.
Good.
I don't want to say it again, sir.
The animals do not love your trap. If they could talk, they would face you. Because you are the arch enemy, and God did not create them in his own image. Attention! At ease. Left turn. By the left, quick march. Shape. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right.
Wow! You will not die early. Yes, your father must die before you. He must die, and we will celebrate his death. Your best before death will not come before your father's own. Yes.
Ekene, join the line. Sorry.
Ekene fulefu, isi konko. We bad boy, Ekene bad boy, isi konko. Efulefu mwa. Ekene fulefu, isi konko. Mi fe nebe, owelo sense. Iya sekwa, mbeni ne kono.
You! Stop! Stop! Elders of the council, it is now crystal clear that we are not dealing with a mortal being. We all trust Okonkwo as a gallant warrior if the challenge was mortal.
Your Majesty, the gods have gone to sleep. They are in deep slumber. Otherwise, why would they allow a wicked spirit to torment our hearts and minds? This time, he struck at me. I watched the spirit take away my wife from my hand. A warrior! Your Majesty, I went to terms with what the gods are doing until now.
I have sent for Ezemo. He will soon be here.
Let him better come before I do something abominable. Yes.
Igwe, you sent for me. Yes, and I guess you know why I sent for you. The monster has struck again, and this time at the heart of the council. A strike against Ogbuefi Okonkwo is a strike against the authority of this kingdom.
He got my Karu, the very pride and color of beauty, the star that shines in my life. He took her away from me. I resisted him, but I could not. I shot at him. He couldn't go. I did all I could as a warrior. I was incapacitated. I got paralyzed and I was looking at him like a woman. I am done. My Karo.
I sympathize with you, Ogbuefi Okonkwo. Igwe, I am sure that everyone here knows that the full moon is just only a few days away. The gods have promised to speak to us at full moon. It's unfortunate it happened to Okonkwo.
And why would the gods wait until we are all consumed? Is it not their duty to protect us from bad spirits, from evil spirits? Huh? Look, Akwasina, when I saw Karo, when I discovered Karo, I went to the gods first and gave them their due before I went and took her as a wife. Now, why would they be in deep sleep and allow a coward evil spirit to go and manipulate me and take away my beauty from my presence? I demand an answer the more.
Ogbuefi Okonkwo, if I were you, I would speak with more respect about the gods. Igwe, I have honored your call. I do not need your call when the full moon comes. I know exactly what to do.
I need an answer. I need an answer. I need an answer.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
I need an answer from God. Don't tell me this. It's either I get my canoe or I go there and burn on the shrine. I've told you.
Igwe, this whole thing has gotten out of hand. And the women of Umudi no longer feel safe in this community.
Yes, Igwe. We now live in fear. And we don't know who will be next.
Please help us, Your Highness. Yes.
Women of Umudim, I share your pains, and I grieve as much as you do. I'm doing everything in my capacity to see the end of this terror. And I'm sure the gods will come to our rescue in no time.
Igwe, we no longer go to the farm. We don't even go to the river. We are now prisoners in our homes.
Igwe, we are running out of patience. The gods should come out with a solution to this problem.
Like I said earlier on, we are at the mercy of the gods. But I'm certain that they will come to our rescue. The women have turned my palace into a weeping ground. And worse still, we are becoming a disgusting lot to the people of Umoti. A young man came to take away his bride, only for her to be snatched by this evil that eats one cholong, money one cholong.
Sheer madness. This is sheer madness. If I were it is now very clear to everybody that the gods of Umudim are in a very great slumber. They are in deep sleep.
SMO, wake them up! Wake them up, or there will be no kingdom tomorrow. When the women are threatened to the point of locking themselves up, then Umudi is falling apart. Women are the cradle of life. The center from where everything flows. Hey, this is sad.
But the ways and thoughts of the gods are hidden from the sons of men. We all must acknowledge that the gods are wise.
What manner of wisdom undermines the lives and the security of the people?
Oh, Igwe, the gods have spoken. My calling as Ezemo is to wait on them and not to force them.
Enough. Enough of this waiting game. How long are we going to wait? We need solution.
Certainly, solution.
Even if it means forcing them, force them now. Yes, force them now. As it was in
What? First of the warriors. Hey, you know that they said that the god of war will consume any woman that enters this house.
We dirty god of war. God of war where? God of war where? I've been inside this bush several times to get firewood. What are you telling me, God of war? God of which war? Because come, let's go.
No. But what if they catch us?
What if they catch what?
They said the last woman caught in that forest later became mad. Yes.
I say none at all separate. I say super lie. What are you saying? The last woman. The truth is that Ezemo gave that woman one medicine that made her mad. That yes. Because let's go.
Maybe the ghost only appears when they see the woman.
Are you trying to say the gods are promiscuous? No, when they see a man, they won't appear. But when they see a woman with breasts, they will not appear. Let me tell you the truth. Eh? You see, Ezemo has been lying to all of you in this village. He knows something that I know. Now let me tell you. Ezemo doesn't want anybody to go into this forest. Yes! From generation to generation of his Ezemo family, they know this secret that I know. You see one firewood here, eh? One firewood. I told you I get firewood here for my mother. One log of firewood here can last 7 days. What are you saying? 7 days. 7 days. Ezemo knows this secret. That's why he doesn't want anybody in this village. They don't want anybody in this village. His whole generation, they don't want anybody in this village to get into this forest. You see this thing? Sorry. Decoration. Decoration. There's nothing there. Let's go. But what? You want me to touch it with my hand so you believe? See. There's nothing here. Every time you be afraid for nothing. I'm telling you, Ezemo doesn't want anybody to know his secret. I know. Let's go inside here and get correct firewood. You're telling me what? Let's go.
My elders, abomination. It has happened.
What is it? What is the abomination?
The forest of the warriors has been violated.
Violated how?
I saw him. I saw Ekene with 3 girls right inside the forest of the warriors, fetching firewood.
But are you sure of what they have just said here?
My elder, as we speak, they are there.
No. This is not a child's play. Tell us exactly what happened.
I cannot lie to you. I cannot lie to you. They are fetching firewood as we speak. See, has anything happened to anybody? Has anything happened to anybody? When I keep telling people, these people are just lying to you people. You won't accept.
You're too much. You're too much. You've been deceiving us.
Don't touch me with that your thing. Please, don't touch me. What's that?
Maybe they are deceiving us.
I keep telling you, the Ezemo has been lying to everybody. His generation, they've been lying to everybody in this village. Greek, are you mad? And then are you mad? Nkechi, are you mad? Even though you behave like a mad person sometimes, but nobody is mad for now. What is it? Nobody is mad. These people keep lying to everybody. They keep lying to everybody. Rest first. Then we'll go home.
Hey, Kenny, can I touch that thing?
Touch! Leave my back. Hey, don't touch. Don't touch.
Igwe, the oracle says that the girls are innocent, but this boy is the one that lured them into the forest of the warriors.
I am not surprised.
I won't lie, because I'm not afraid of you people. For once, yes, the oracle is right. For once.
Will you shut up your mouth? Has the oracle ever lied to you before?
Yes, sometimes the oracle used to lie. Yes, and this man knows one secret you people don't know about that forest too. Let me tell you. Why don't you tell them the firewood there is better?
Ezemo, what does the gods say about the punishment for this Bobonzus?
Because the gods are wise, they know exactly what to do. The ball is in your court.
Birds of the same plumage flock together. Foolish girls and a foolish boy.
Or they call the boy, or they call the guru. Man.
You deserve the full wrath of the gods. But I have shown you mercy.
Shut up.
By overlooking your foolishness. But each of your parents will give us a bull.
Yeah. Who eats the bull?
Shut up.
You people.
Out of this non-entity, guards.
Your Highness.
Bring strong Kenan. Deal with him.
Yes.
I'm not afraid
of your king, but who will eat this bull?
Who is going to eat the bull?
You guys, my friend, your parents give them this final bull.
I said get down.
Don't touch me until I reach down.
Move. What are you waiting for? Deal with him mercilessly.
I will not try in front of him. I will shout in front of
Today is your own turn, but yesterday was my own day. If not that Ginika said she has something to do for her mother, I would have won the first game, the next game, and the next game. Telling you.
Bad loser. You always complain when you lose.
Bad loser.
Okay. All right. Wait, I have plans for you tomorrow. Don't worry. But see, yesterday I saw some people who came from local government headquarters. They were wearing white. They said they came here to do something. Did anybody see them?
I saw them. They said they came to give immunization. They give all the children in school immunization. Yes.
Immunization?
Immunization.
Immunization. Medicine. Ha! Hope is not all those nonsense people who used to give small children medicine. When they now grow, they'll now start behaving like people who don't have sense at all. They won't be making sense. You don't know whether they are mad or they are not mad. Just the same way Nena's father behaved before he left her mother.
Stop. What's that?
But it's true now.
Okay, no, let me tell you. My mother told me that immunization is the medicine they will give children to prevent them from being sick. Yes.
That's what they came here to do. Don't they know the problem of this village? Why don't they come and bring that immunization and give people of this village to prevent them from that evil spirit that is disturbing this village? Because let me hear what people should go to your house tomorrow. I'll catch you, no problem. I'll win tomorrow.
I'll always win you, so be ready for me.
Only a girl he really likes is the one that can convince him to turn around.
Mama, Ekene likes all his friends alike. He does not even know if they are girls. In fact, he sees them as boys. No opposite attraction whatsoever.
God forbid. Are you trying to tell me that my only son cannot function? His Madiana cannot do anything? Wait. Tell me, which of those his friends does he like the most?
Nena, Mama. I should think, yes.
Nena.
Yes.
You need to invite Nena over. I have a plan. I have to find out if my son's Madiana is really functional.
Mama, what are you planning?
My sister escorted you.
Yes, so she was escorting me. But you know, we're gisting. Before I could know it was too late for me to go home. Couldn't go home, okay?
Okay. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm just tired. I just need to sleep. So tired.
How is it going?
She is lying beside him. At least they're making progress. Very soon, I will go back to my observation point.
Mama. Ekene, how is he reacting?
Ekene doesn't feel very comfortable. He's been shifting. She too, she has been following him.
What else would you expect? He was not expecting anything close to this.
Okay? Yes. I just pray that the gods would help us, so that they will take away this spell or curse that has been put upon him.
But Mama, why are you so sure this is the solution?
A woman is the cradle of life. When you start having your own children, you will understand what I'm talking about. And as you're thinking about that, let me go back to my observation point. Achomeno, Mama Swakwana.
Mama.
I thought you preferred the bed.
I like the warmth here.
You like the warmth on the floor? Okay. And then now what kind of place this time?
Ekene, I want your touch. I want to feel your touch.
What touch? My torchlight? Huh? I want to give you my torchlight.
Ekene, are you a kid? I'm not a kid now, eh? Please just stick.
You want stick? Okay, let me go and get you stick outside.
No, wait now. Please just stick. Your stick.
Huh?
Your stick.
I will shout to. I will tell my mother. What's this now?
Wait.
Mamoyi. I greet you.
I reject your greeting with the name of the gods of Umudim. What are you doing here?
Mamoyi, you are rejecting my greeting. A greeting that is capable of curing any kind of fever.
Medicine that will come from an idiot like you can only paralyze somebody's life.
Anyway, somehow, kind of way. Prophet is never noticed in his village, but not to worry. I'm looking for Oni.
You're looking for Oni?
My guy.
A small boy that you're old enough to be his father.
I'm looking for him. Yes. Hey, Oyi, my guy. Oyi, my guy, tell your mother we are going places. Tell your mother we are moving higher. Yes. Tell your mother that from Boy Scout we are going to Man O' War. Yes. From Man O' War we are going to be in charge of this village. Yes. From village security we are moving to army. From army we are going to navy. Yes. From navy to submarine navy. Yes. Then from submarine navy we go to land navy. Yes. Then from land navy we go to air navy. Yes. Then again from air navy we will go to moon navy.
Why will you get inside? Stupid boy. And you, don't come and infect my son with your disease. Just go.
Somehow, anyhow, kind of how a prophet is never noticed in his village. But Moon Navy, me and this guy, we are going.
Don't worry,
Submarine Navy,
I will tell your mother to
Land Navy,
and bring those white garment prophets. Maybe they can help you. big boy. Let me see these your tiny legs in my house again.
I never added any water.
Oh, Okonkwo.
Obofe Okonkwo.
Obofe Okonkwo. Hey. Obofe Okonkwo.
Nah, go on, Ms. Goneta. Is he well at all?
Hey. Dikeh, The man is gone. Hey. To him, it is like death should come immediately and pick him off. Hey.
He loved his Karo. Yes. He loved his Karo. But I'm convinced, very convinced, that the spirit came for her because he disregarded and insulted the spirits. Yes. The mortals must learn to know their bounds.
What surprises me most is that man has 3 wives, very beautiful wives, and yet he invests his life, his whole entire life, on the youngest one. Why?
Obefu Gumba, leave the things of the spirit for the spirit. Okonkwo Sini is a man who challenged his chi in a wrestling match. The end is always fatal.
I hope that today the moon will complete its cycle so that the gods will come to our rescue. We have been waiting for them, and even hoping that Okonkwo's issue will be the end.
Ogumba, the gods are wise. The gods are wise, yes.
I hope you are not presuming. Because this evil spirit is almost visiting every home in this community. Now tell me, what did Udo do before the evil spirit took his wife?
Ogumba, we live in a strange world indeed.
Hey!
Woman! The God of Isaiah is my God. Holy God! There's nothing impossible for him to do. We have come with our final solution.
It's not me that the thing is doing. It's my son.
Yeah, I know. Attack! Ooh, Baba. Sheriba! Die, Mama! That demon. Let's go.
Shun at ease. Shun. Anytime the scout sees an enemy, he should not fear. What did I say?
When a scout sees an enemy, you should never be afraid.
If a scout is in the bush and he sees any bush meat, he should not fear. The scout should only say, we,
Wa,
we,
Wa,
Awio.
Awa.
Good. If you see even the biggest bushmeat, you should have confidence. And you say, we,
Wa,
we,
Wa,
Awio.
Awa.
Good.
Can you see what I'm talking about? Come inside. Hey, that is him. That's the, you see what I'm talking about?
Elijah, Onya, holy. Ja, Imam, Awa. Ja, Imam, Awa. Holy, Elijah, holy. I need a very long cane. The taco. Scouts. We, attack enemy.
Attack!
Report back to base.
You're in my house. You're not afraid. Eh? I should attack, you attack. In my house.
Scouts! Attack enemy! 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 Okosisi kuchiri ụzọ na-eri ube mma nwoke teghete ana m ajụ ozugbo gịnị na-emezie full moon full moon full moon.
My father, the king, looks worried.
My adorable princess, your father, the king, has a lot to think about.
You taught me that if God gives a child big teeth, he also gives him big lips to cover them up.
When the grass cutter grows too old to forage for food, its offspring begins to feed it. Go ahead, my adorable princess, and teach me the wisdom of the ancient.
I had the best teacher in the whole world. It's not difficult to guess what is on the king's mind. The king is not in his worries alone. The entire people of Umudim are living in fear.
That is my greatest worry. When your subjects live in fear under any circumstances, they will soon lose confidence in your ability to protect them.
Have the gods heard my cry and sent you. Igwe, you are here on time. Tomorrow, at the first light of the day, all the youths of Umudim between the ages of 25 and 30 shall gather before the oracle. And the gods, in their mercy and wisdom, will choose one of them ordained to destroy that evil spirit that plagues Umudim. That is the good news from the gods. I think we will again. Dikeh no walk again. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ nekwe oluo n'omume. Hey! Ise anyị wa ọgọdọ. Ichekwuriche ọkanda. Oh, Waka. Marika Gumagana, Okolobia Mokete, Ogugwe Jeneta Oshimili. Okawubu, Ogugwe Jeneta Oshimili. Omega na. Aluzabara Yangwazenu Moku, no Mumu, Mana, I work at one Belu or Toto. Wakana Moabiakana. Ekene? Ekene Odum.
No! No! Nguro Nagije. Hey!
Ekene Odum has been chosen.
Hey!
Enough? No. Diga need apology. Imana diga need apology this year. Buadiga, Aguaza, Diga, one Mushino, one Jawan, the mother of the bedroom, my mother. As the Mogu graduates in the Biacabia for Mania. Hey! Yeah!
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Wait.
What if the gods have totally chosen you to fight against evil spirits? So what will you do? Tell me.
The gods didn't choose me anything. The gods didn't choose me. They didn't choose me anything. This is a plan by those evil people to eliminate me. They want to kill me. That's what they want to do. They want to kill me. But they will fail. They will fail because I won't die. I will expose them. Yes.
Okay, let me tell you. I heard the king said he will reward anybody that kills the spirit.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Those people want to kill me. They want to eliminate me. I'm telling you something. They want to eliminate me. They know I am going to expose them. And then Tom separate. So I will separate their evil from good in this village. Yes, I will expose them.
Think about the reward.
Leave that thing. Leave that thing. Leave that thing. I will expose them.
Ekene, today I'm going to teach you how to do the real hunting. Ekene, this is not your regular rat and rabbit hunting. This is hunting for real men.
Ugochukwu, don't ever insult me. I am a scout, and scouts are never afraid. When we get into the forest, you will know who a real soldier is. We were.
Wait, Ekene. When you get to the bush, is this how you will salute the animals?
Yes. Animals love me, and I love them too. Yeah. When I get into the bush, animals will gather, and I will tell them, I will. They will answer, Awa.
Ekene. If you try this nonsense in the bush, all the animals will run away and our mission will fail. So I suggest you put your Boy Scout in your pocket and follow the real men for hunting.
Hey! My people. Where have you people been? I've looked for you everywhere. Huh?
Yeah, we accompanying Nena to her Yamban to work there. Yes.
Okay, when I didn't see you people, I decided to follow these stupid boys and go hunting.
Hunting?
Yes, hunting.
Well, I don't know why I should follow you people and go hunting, Seth.
Ekene, are you a goat? Are you leaving us here?
Don't talk like that. So these are my people. These are my people. They don't insult me. Don't mock me because they are my people.
Ekene, are you leaving us for these things? I mean, we.
Never ever you in your life call my friends these things. Because you see these things, they don't mock me. Yes. These things, they don't laugh at me. These things, they love me. And I love them because they are my people.
A goat will always be a goat. Ekene, you are a shame to manhood.
You, can't you see you've been rejected by womanhood?
Yes,
why am I even following people? Say, let's go.
Look at this. Look at this. Don't worry. When you go cashless in this village, you understand what I'm saying. And he's trying to show you.
Ekene, Mama and I wish you the best of city life. And please, when you get there, do not disgrace us. And don't forget us as well. Oh?
You people think I'm just part of your property that you can just move anyhow. Okay, I know you people want me out of your lives. No problem, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going.
Ekene, Mom, a word of advice. Learn to talk and speak like an adult when you get to the city. You will need it. One more thing, Mom. Because learn to always tell yourself the truth.
What truth?
Like I know you're going to the city because of what the Igwe said that there's more expected of you.
If you like, you call me lazy. If you like, you call me coward. All I'm saying is that I'm going. I am going. And if I should get comfortable in that city, you will look for me. You won't see me again. No, I'm telling you now. Okay.
Ekene, the gossip is that you are the last Umudim's virgin. And that is why you were chosen by the oracle. That is a shame we will bear in your absence.
Is that what you people have been saying? No, Mama, is that what you people have been saying? Because I'm a virgin. That's the gossip people have been gossiping here, eh? Okay, don't worry.
We know a few people that will miss you though.
Yes, I know people that will miss me. If you won't miss me, I know people that will miss me. The animals will miss me, the lizards will miss me, the scouts will miss me because I'm special to them and him and Toha are separate.
Okay, now, welcome.
What's this nonsense?
What is what nonsense? Are you not the one who said I should follow you to the city?
Of course. Is that why you're putting on this rubbish like this catapult and this beret that makes you look like one tapa I know from Ozakol?
Shun! Scout Ekene, we were never dies and can never change. Thank you.
There is no bush in the city for hunting. People in the city do business. That is what they do.
Have you gone to the city before?
See, I don't have time for all these arguments. Please, let's go. The city is a very long journey.
Leave my cap. See, I heard the city is very far and armed robbers are on the way. So if I get there, I have to show them that I'm a military personnel. So they will see me, they will get afraid and they will say, march on.
With this a catapult, Abi?
I think I should wear my full uniform.
No, leave it. When you get to the city, you wait, Biko. Please, leave it.
Go down. Move it.
Wait first.
I'll keep it for you.
Let's go. I don't have time.
What? Attention!
For what? A bloody civilian.
Carry your bag. Handle it.
Don't say bye-bye to me for the last time. Okay. Sure. If I get too comfortable, you will see me. You have time to change your mind now.
Scout, we are going to
Okay, let's go. Get on. Bye-bye. We said that you goodbye. Hey, only second enemy. Finally, he has gone to the city.
I've been thinking of Okonkwo's words the very day he challenged the gods. Though I cautioned him then, but his words keep resonating in the deep of my mind.
Igwe, maybe we should look at the trouble at our hand. Do we, the warriors, not say that an unusual threat deserves an unusual strategy?
You speak in parables. Please, can you make it very clear?
Igwe, what if the gods, in their supernatural wisdom, decided that an imbecile can take on an enemy who is stronger than the strongest man in the land?
Igwe, you will live forever. I did not come here because of the choice of the gods. When I got your summon, I thought Ezemo would be here, so that he will tell us on a very clear terms why the gods must allow this spirit to enter the land in the first place.
Let us lead by example. We must not allow our personal loss to becloud our sense of responsibility. Are we going to be the Umudim council that taught the people to question the gods?
I don't blame you because you don't know what it takes to. We have to move forward. I'm beginning to see wisdom in our Hakim's reasoning. What if the gods have decided that a despised fellow like Ekene will have to tackle an equally despised spirit? These things are beyond us as mortals. But the thing now is, how do we get Ekene to do all that has been bestowed upon him by the gods?
Igwe, the gods who made such decisions will also make provision to accomplish it. But first of all, let us bring that boy down to this place and then find out from him his disposition to handle the task at hand.
I will have to agree with you.
Just take a look at them. Look at the reasoning of red captives, men who are supposed to be referred to as men of timber and caliber. Look at them before the presence of their king. Your Majesty, look at the Kene in question. Look at the imbecile Kene. Our kingdom is now reposing confidence in him. Your Majesty, let me let you know this. The gods must have made a serious mistake. How can a one-legged goat chase a lion? Is it possible? Oyala or Nachoyala? I'm asking you. Oyala or Nachoyala? I don't believe in wasting my time for nothing. You can go ahead and say what you want to say. Nonsense.
Nekene, you are jumping too high and running too fast. You mean your son left for the city just a day after the gods chose him for an assignment? I take it that you sent him away to avoid going for the mission.
Your Majesty, Ekene is a mature person. He's old enough to take his own decisions.
I disagree with you, woman. Ekene has no brain of his own. And so he cannot run away from the mission of the gods. He is less than a child.
Everybody in this community knows what I've been through trying to raise that boy.
So you sent him away because you had troubles raising him, isn't it?
No. I woke up this morning and he was gone. His friend Dikeh came from the city and took him away.
Don't forget that nobody runs away from the mission of the gods.
Woman, you must do everything within your purview to bring him back. Am I understood?
Wait, I cannot do that now. I can't promise.
What are you talking about, woman? Are you refusing the royal majesty?
No, I'm only telling the truth.
The truth is that Ekene is nobody.
Hey!
You simply recall home as
Hey! Alusi ogugu mudim. Otaburu okuchi onu. Gaga no gwa no polu nkere ju onu.
Hey! Okirikiri ka na-abụ kwọsa na nọrọ arị elu. Aga m evu adị mma n'ajụ. Hey! Ịmakwana anụ ekwobe nwe ọmaji aka n'elu osisi. Anụ kwobe nwe ọmaji aka n'elu osisi n'oke solu ngwele ma amịgide eze akọ ngwele na ọkụ nwoke. Ọ bụ nwa na-amụchi n'oge nwa ọgbara ga nwa ọdụ oji n'anya na waba wetebe n'ụwa kwa efu mmadụ. Ọkọ m chiri sa akpapụla edu so ya ọkụ. N'obodo nwere oge o jiri da ya chọba ka bụla ekwe anyị alụsị ogbugbe kede kede ewu kede ana kede ibe dada n'ime. Ịma na ekede kede onye ọ marụ ike na amalụgwu ya n'elu ụwa. Onye na-abịa?
Igwe, what do you seek here? I simply thought you should have sent somebody if you want to see me.
Ezemo, when matters become critical, the palace becomes uncomfortable for the Igwe. Besides, I wanted our discussion to be held before the gods.
Then speak. The gods and their servant are listening.
O ye gods of Umudim, when you made your choice, we were shocked beyond imagination because your choice isn't Tikmo. But your choice is nowhere to be found. How can he perform this important task in absentia?
Igwe, go back to your palace. They have heard.
No, one more request. Now that I'm here, is it not expedient to choose another person? Because nobody knows when the monster will strike again. Just as nobody knows the whereabouts of Ekene.
Igwe, much as I am the voice of the gods, I cannot decide for them. Yes, and if I were to judge by experience, the mind of the gods are not like the mind of mortals. Igwe, have you not wondered why the gods decided to choose someone with arrested development over our healthy, sound-minded young men? Igwe, go to your palace and have your rest. That young man will know no peace as long as he runs from the gods.
O ye gods of Umudim, Ota cheke cheke, Oriegu na aji, Kwekem kwekem, Wekoko, Shimekoko, Wekoko, Ota please suspend the monster until I find the boy. I'm on my knees. Bikono, Otako Hamnon.
They have heard. The gods are wise.
I hope you don't live in all those tall buildings in this city.
Can wait until you get to the city. See, just be feeding your eyes. See, you haven't even gotten to the main heart of the city, and you're complaining already about tall buildings.
Those ones they call cry creep.
It's not cry. What are you crying for? Cry. This is skyscraper. Skyscraper. Better.
I hope you don't live in that kind of building. That tall building, because I don't want to be climbing steps before I get to where I'm going to see.
Can I hold on? See, you need to drop this your village attitude. No, seriously. You need to drop it off. We are in the city. So you need to behave like city boys. I need to get rid of this your scout one nonsense.
Ahua for life.
No, only Ahua. Nah, Ahua. Look at this building. And there's a way the girls here, they used to dress so. See, in the city here, if you look anyhow, police can arrest you.
Huh?
Yes.
Please take me back home.
Take you back.
Take me back.
I thought you said Yahoo. You know my Yahoo again, have you? This is a battery. You hear me? This is battery. And this wheel cover. We have different wheel covers here. We have Mercedes, we have Toyota, we have Honda. Honda! Did you hear what I said?
Don't shout now. I'm here.
Listen. Now can your village brain and come here now. Here we have a transmission oil. How will I explain this in English? Transmission oil. I hope you understand. This is a fire extinguisher. Hey. We have jack. We have engine oil. I hope I'm making myself clear. You're looking at me like a mumu. But that's your problem. That's not my problem. You remember those 2 books I showed you inside? One, you use it to check the prices of all these goods. Then anyone you sell, you record it on the other book. What is You don't hear me?
Which one is this thing you're telling me? You're telling me record, book, price. Look, this thing is not fun. Catching bushmeat in the village is fun than this thing you're telling me price, record, what?
Hey, nah, what is catching bushmeat again? Is this bush? This is shop. Bush is bush, shop is shop.
I prefer bush.
Of course you're a bush animal.
Did I force myself to come to this city? What? Look, you don't know the sweetness in catching bushmeat. That's your problem. You don't know. Because if you know, you will be in that village with me. Here and Ato separate.
Grow up. Grow up, you're no more a child. I can grow up. Okolo Baba, see, I'm going out. I'll come back later to check your records. If you like my mistake, let me take better slap. We'll give vitamin C, settle you very, very well.
Yeah. Wait. Don't be shouting at me. Oh. Don't shout at me. I won't take that one from you.
Why?
Okay. Am I now your sales boy?
No. What does it look like? No, I'm your sales boy.
No, is that what you and Mama planned?
I'm your guy. You are a sales boy. Hey, shh. Get inside. I handle things well.
Now why slap? See my mate too, because I'm now here in the city with you. What? Don't you greet? Can't you greet people? People in this city, don't you people greet?
My friend, do you have pass here?
No, we don't have pass. Look where. We have beer. This is beer parlor. That's what we have. Okay, talk. What do you want?
My friend.
Take it easy. Calm down. Let me.
Okay, give me Mercedes pass, my friend.
I like the Oga. Just walk gently. Let me be seeing you. Walk and get one. Get out. Nonsense.
What's the problem? Sleeping on duty is a big offense in this market. You have to shine your eyes till the closing time.
Okay. When did this one start now? When did you start beating me? Okay. Wait. If my eye refuses to shine, what will happen? Must my eye shine every time? I am a human being, and when sleep comes, I should sleep. That's it. Human beings sleep.
Now listen to me. This is city. We work during the day and sleep at night. You have to be disciplined to enjoy the city things.
I know. This is your day work. This is when you work during the day. But at night, when all of us are sleeping, you are still working at night. Yes, that is when you and all your fellow cultists are in your coven doing blood money. That is it. That's when you are still working at that time of the night.
You are such a fool. Now I don't want this to repeat itself anymore. Do I make myself clear? Go and bring your book. Let's check record. Fast.
You want me to bring which record? After insulting me, you want me to go and check accounts with you? That is impossible. You understand? Because in Kao with him separate, so it's also separating. I cannot do it. I can't do it. If you want to check your account, go inside there and check your account yourself.
Okay, I can see that your mind is still in the bush, not even in the village. In fact, you're supposed to be an animal. If you want to be in the city, you need to develop a new mindset. A city mindset, a modern mindset.
Yeah, okay. How many mindsets you have told me now? Look, The first one is insult. The second one is insult upon injury. The third one is insult upon injury upon my career village life of killing bush meat successfully. Nobody insults me in the village. Let me tell you, not because you know me now. No, not because you brought me to this city. What's your own problem?
He just couldn't knock a bread out one minute for nothing. Pride has so blinded you and you can't see.
I can see. I'm seeing you.
What are you seeing?
I'm seeing you. Nonsense. Mommy here to come and tell me what. Okay, don't try this nonsense again. Not because you brought me to this city.
Yeah. What is this? You sold a dozen of wheel covers today.
Dozen.
That means 1 dozen is supposed to be 24,000.
You think so?
You don't need to think, Mumu. You don't need to think. The price list is there. Now, from the record I have here, is 12,000. That's stupid.
The way you're doing this, your face like weapon, is as if I made mistake. Oh, sorry.
See, you're just a fool. Not even a primary school pupil will make this kind of silly mistake. Not talk of a big boy like you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You want to expose my secret? You're talking primary school. Tell everybody that I repeated primary 4 or 5 times. What is wrong with you? I know your own secret, so I'll tell this your plaza people.
Hey, shut up. I don't care about how you feel. I don't care whether you repeated class like 10 times or not. It's not my business. My business is that you should go and get that money. Yes, even if it entails climbing the moon, you have to go and get that money.
There's no need going to the moon. I know the man who came to buy the rims. He's from Osobolo. No problem. Give me transport money. Let me go to the village and tell the Igwe. Yes, let me go and tell him what his people are doing in this city.
You don't say, idiot. Go and get that money. Go and get that money.
Give me transport money now. Let me go and tell the Igwe. What kind of problem is this now? Oh, boy, where you go since now? Person never see you since your freedom.
Oh, boy, I'll be there small thing. Oh, boy, I be enter Pakistan now. I go around some kind of matter.
You travel?
Oh, boy,
you look traveled.
Oh, boy.
You look traveled.
Say you good.
I did. Oh, boy.
But are you those girls the sun shoe?
Huh?
Blood, are you the eyes? So?
Biko. I don't have time for girls, please. I don't have time for girls. I don't have their time at all. I don't have their time.
Man, guy, that one a village matter. This one a city.
I don't have their time. Girls are my friends in the village, but they know I don't have their time.
Wait, guy, you won't tell me say you never lash before?
Lash?
I mean, you never quash?
You couldn't quash.
Guy, man, you be real doyo. Muguna you be. Well, on a good day, shall we run your matter, you don't understand. So, which side you enter now? I be the go that area too. One Zangard for there. I want to go do some kind of control. I'm on the road now, as the odds. Yeah, sure be your matter. Bagger, I better bring my number. Can you sit down? Sure. What do you drink now?
Mineral. Huh? Mineral. Do they have palm wine here?
That one will be wahala. Bring minerals. Hey, wahala be.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
Chong Jeremiah. See, for this Zangard, they know me as Jerry. Not be Jeremiah.
Hey, but in the market, we call you Jeremiah now.
That one a market stuff now. See, we call you a cornflakes. Relax. You will see how a village guy becomes a city ramble. Huh? Relax. Babe, how far? Okay.
Jeremiah, Sega.
Which kind of level be your own now? Cigar a bad thing again. Hey, Jeremiah, what is wrong with you now? What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you, Jeremiah? I heard your guy just gave you freedom 2 months ago and you went to Paki. Don't be Paki now. Pakistan. Pakistan. Is that why you are behaving like this? You're smoking cigar and see all these things you just draw on your body. Are they Paki gods? You be real doyo. Mugu. But relax. Who call your conflicts? You don't understand.
Hey, Jerry, baby.
Hey, see my shankers. Hey, oh baby. Man, how fun. But the Thomas, see that thing. Baby, you got that. I feel like wish.
Fine boy.
My guy. My riri guy. You don't understand. See, I want me to arrange this guy for me. You don't understand. Do it well. See, don't worry about the money. I will pay. You don't understand. Just do it well. You don't understand.
The guy makes sense.
Oh, you don't do it.
Trust me now.
Runner.
Sweetheart.
What's it? Huh? What is it?
Hey!
Hey! Shout out to the shine! My baby! Sit down.
Forget about
I'm my cousin. What is this now? Hey! Separate attack. Anna. What's this?
Jerry,
Hey God.
what is wrong with him?
Which kind of doyo be this one?
What's wrong with him?
Amugu, one village local champion. I can't tell you understand. But more than flex. Bad girl, I better bring drink.
But that guy makes sense.
Oh yeah, my guy, I go see arrangement.
Hey, I trust you now.
Baby,
Now Henneken, I want drink.
Eh?
Henneken.
You know me, just the drink. Come on, bring the drink fast. Man, say how you ripe. Very good.
Jerry.
Oh, baby.
Babe, give me lighter. Today na club. Babe, you know say market, you no go get to go. Don't forget say today na club. Go enter club. Oh, na true.
You know your strike for me that day. It don't make sense.
How far?
Fine, you don't carry this fine boy come again.
See, this time I don't pack and fill
Don't worry.
Can you relax?
Yeah? I'll take care of you.
I want me to go arrange my guy. That's the odds. Point anyone where you want. Point the one where you want. Man, guy, point where now? Which one? Point now. Which one be?
Don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Oh, baby, see, I want they hear my guy scream. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
So just go arrange them as the odds.
Trust me now. You know it's not food.
Go run now.
I'm not with the fine boy.
Okay, now my guy.
You gonna forget your
my really guy.
I don't get customer.
Baby.
Fine boy.
My press well as the odds. Oh, but not be sit down, matter. I'm gonna go run the show. You understand? Baby. Wow, I repeat the stand. You understand?
Hey, at the door. Hey, hold up, I'll kill you today.
Yeah, welcome to my world. Yeah. Yeah, sure. I have eye for class. What is this now? What are you doing here? Why you? Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hey! Huh? Are you mad? Why? Are you stupid?
Okay,
Get up with that, please. Have you seen this kind of clean chicks before? Are you stupid? These are village monkeys you parole around.
Get up. So, actually starving. I can't wait to eat something.
You starving? Hey, come on. Yeah, come and buy some food. Okay. You know the eatery down the street? Please, I'm not ready to answer any question from your mother. Remember what I taught you about crossing the road. Look left, look right, and left again. Good. Please buy food, Right.
Baby, please, you can tell him to buy extra chicken. I like chicken a lot.
So you like chicken?
Yes, soft one at that.
Buy extra chicken. That's the soft part. Oh, you won't understand. You're such a dummy. See, when you go to the eatery, tell them it's okay that sent you. Okay, they know you're my boy. Tell them okay sent you. Tell them to give you that part that I like. The soft part, the laps.
If it's with extra chicken, this money will not be enough for us now.
Also, for us, Bonende. Who is us? And you want to carry your dirty nigga to come and sit down and eat with us? Are you mad?
Okay, are you saying my mouth is not involved in this food?
Can you get going? I'm hungry.
Okay, is this girl up to the bushmeat I used to kill?
You say that? Are you
I don't understand. Baby.
Just love.
Who's this guy?
This guy is a bone in the neck. This guy is a fool I went to the village to pick up from the gutters to help his poor stupid life and the mother's life. But he comes here and he's just constituting nuisance.
No. It's too much. Why is he so rude if you brought him from the village? Yes. Too much.
Good, because we used to belong to this age grade in the village. So he believes because we were in the same age grade, he just believes we are mates, I don't know what's wrong with him.
Then you should have educated him on the difference between village age grade and money age grade.
Exactly.
Honestly, sweetheart, if I give you that assignment, you spend all your life doing it. This guy is a dummy. That is the brain is blocked. Again, I hope you watched the car. I have a very important meeting with a client.
Okay, Chiro. We need to have our own meeting, because this our own meeting is more important than that meeting you are going for now. I want to know where we are going.
See your mouth. Where are we going?
All these wash the car, wash the place, clean this, clean that, go and do balance in the shop, go and do check in the shop. All this paperwork I've been doing for you. I want to know when all this slavery is going to finish, when you are going to give me my freedom.
See, Ekene, what you call slavery is learning the business of modern living. And you are still under probation, mind you. Oh, yes. I'm still testing you to know if you fit into the modern life.
You say? Probe. Chiro. Wait, you mean all this, wash this, clean that, check this, balance that? All this work I've been doing for you is just testing. I'm not working. It's testing.
Mm-hmm. Everybody you see in the market there had undergone the testing or is still undergoing the test. Oh, yes. It's like circumcision. And it's painful,
But I was circumcised before you now.
That was village circumcision, dummy. What you're undergoing now is city circumcision. See, Ekene, I have done you enough good by bringing you out of the village to learn the modern living. So you should respect yourself and obey the laws of modern living.
You have done me enough good by bringing me to the city from the village. And yet you won't do me small good by giving me one of those girls. If I get trouble, yeah. Aga me zikwa gị na onye ofuni ka dị agba Michael Jackson o. Ka gwakwa gị na. Don't let me show you. Aga me zikwa gị separate. Okay.
Baby, this your house is very beautiful.
I know.
This is a mansion, you know.
I know.
You business people make a lot of money.
Ah, yes, so we make a lot of money. Not only make a lot of money, we chop the money. Yes, good sweet money. Yes, good sweet money. Yes.
So what kind of business do you do? See, I know some 419 people who are very rich. Are you one of them?
I'm part of the 419 people, because I have 419 million naira in one of my 20 accounts. Yes. But you see, I just like to be simple like this. I like to be simple. I like to dress simple because I don't want problem from armed robbers. I don't want problem from people. I don't want people to know I have money at all. Even all these, what do they call them? All these people who write in paper. I don't want their problem. I just like to be simple like this. So
it's good.
Consider yourself lucky. You know my
I'm a lucky
secret.
girl.
I know.
Anyway, I'm happy to hear that.
No
Okay.
problem. Yeah, so I deal on every transport spare part. Yes. Any type of motor spare part, all of them. Yes. Any type of train spare parts, all of them too.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And also any type of aeroplane spare part, all of them. Yes. Yes, that's it. What I used to build this house is just the small change remaining from my caterpillar parts that I sell.
Are you serious?
This is small house now. This one is
I'm lucky to
boy.
have you.
Yeah, I know you're lucky to have me. This is boy house compared to the one I have in the village. Yes, it's God. Yes. My dear, I have one problem.
Problem?
Yes. You see, all the freezers I have in this house, they are too heavy.
How?
The weight is too much. So I just need to reduce the volume and temperature at the same time. Yes, so what drink will you take, my dear?
In that case, I want champagne.
Champagne?
No, champagne.
Champagne?
Yeah.
Champagne. Drink. I know that drink. I will get you a drink. Champagne.
What is happening here?
Hey, bro. Come on, meet my friend, bro. Bro. Hey.
Who is he?
My bro.
Who is he? And why is he looking at me like that?
Easy, baby. My bro. Bro, how was work? I know you have had a busy day today. So how market?
Are you stupid? Are you out of your senses? What kind of stupid question is that? Not now, bro. I know all I need you to do now is go in, refresh yourself, have a bath, and then later we talk, Alright, bro? See my bro's eyes. Now?
Well, I just hope you stop looking at me like that. After all, this is your house. I am your girl, so he should respect you and respect your girl as well.
Easy, baby. Bro, okay. Now, let me tell you. I know the sun has been too harsh on you. I know you haven't been happy. I know there has been go slow. I know you are not in a good mood. So, what have you done?
Shut up! You are very stupid. You are mad. And now let me warn you. Before I go inside my room and come out, I don't want to see this girl around my compound again. Are you hearing me? And you had better explain to her that this house doesn't belong to you. You have no roof over your head in this city. The house is mine and you're my boy.
Are you the husband in this house?
Will you shut up? Can't you see I'm clapping for him?
Don't say that. You told
I
me.
said, will you shut up? Shut up, my friend. What's your problem? Can't you see I'm clapping for my brother?
Clapping for what?
Since he came from the village, I said he has been useless. He hasn't done anything meaningful. So I had to force him to join a church drama group. Yes, all these things you see here is the rehearsal for a church play that's going to happen on Sunday.
Okay, he's an actor.
Yes! That's what they know my family for. We are all actors. My mother, actor. My sister, actor.
Are you serious?
My late father, actor.
You have a family full.
Relax. You'll be entertained. Just relax. There's more. Okay. There's more. Relax. Relax. You see entertainment now. Oh! Fantastic. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yeah, okay. What? Okay, what was the meaning of that nonsense you did there? What was the meaning of that nonsense you did there? Girls came, I served them. Your girls came, I served them. This is my one girl. You don't want to serve her. Biko. Just respect yourself and go and serve that girl, please. You know what they say? One good turn deserves the other. Biko.
Shut up! Are you mad? Are you stupid? I have a very good mind of getting rid of you out of my life. I got out of the village out of pity. I thought I was trying to help your life.
Forget about that one. See, just go out there and tell that girl that all that nonsense display you did there was for church drama rehearsal. That is what you did there.
You are very stupid.
You said, what's wrong with you? You said, waka. What's your problem?
Oh, so you want me to go out there and belittle myself? I mean, lie to that riffraff nobody that you are the owner of the house.
Bonkwem.
And maybe I'm your servant.
That is the bonkwem.
10 times.
What do you mean by that? Yeah, Padaku will go. You will do this thing for me. What's your problem now? What's your problem? That girl has eaten my money. I got my loss. That girl has eaten my money. I got my loss. Just simple. You will go out there and tell her that all that nonsense you did there was for church drama rehearsal. Save my face.
Okay, no problem. Provided this does not repeat itself in my house.
That is the bonkwem. Even if I do it again, even if I bring another one again, I'll take her to the hotel. It won't happen again.
It's okay. It's in your money. Diego. Wow.
Don't worry. It's the small one I have.
No problem. But let me warn you. If this kind of a thing ever repeats itself in this house, I will tie you with that girl and push you out.
It won't happen again. Even if I bring another girl, it won't happen. No problem. Just come here and tell her it's church drama rehearsal. That's all. Church drama rehearsal. Biko. My God. Hey, this my brother has improved though.
Baby, please. Some jokes are very expensive.
I know. It's just rehearsal. Don't worry, he's going to entertain you some more now. I'm so happy. This boy hasn't wasted my money.
You are still here? I'm joking. Come.
Baby, you said this is your house.
Mama! Let me see you again. Let me see my house again. What is going on here? Look at this one. Because I've been keeping you quiet. You've been misbehaving. Now you're now bringing stupid girls into my house. Idiots. Try it again. In fact, go and come back. Hey.
The kind of man I will marry must be rich, very rich. I don't care if he's fat, short, or even blind, as long as there is money.
God forbid. God forbid for me, Ogechi, to get married to a blind man because of money.
Money is the new language of our world. Don't you see how old men bow for young city boys with money?
See, I'm not saying I'll get married to a poor man. But as long as my husband is tall, handsome, loving and caring, I'm okay with him. I will live with him in peace.
Just that.
are you crying?
Ogechi. It was very scary. Very fearful. Ogechi. It just pointed at Ogechi as she followed into the bush.
Don't tell me that!
Followed into the bush.
That spirit rapist took my daughter Ogechi into the bush!
Yes! Followed into the bush. Ogechi followed into the bush.
Piano! The spirit rapist has taken my daughter! Ogechi, my daughter!
My lord, there is trouble.
My troubles seem to multiply every day. Now the women have come.
The women? My lord, let that not be your problem. Oh? Let me handle the women.
I am not against their decision. A little discipline could take us somewhere.
I know. But it is important for the king to keep the loyalty of his men. The news in town is that the ego of men is lost. When men become helpless, they make their leader the scapegoat.
You are a great gift in so many ways. The gods gave you the brain of a wise man of old. But how do you intend to handle the women?
I have said that you do not need to come to me. I will come to you when you need me.
And this is the last I will come here except something positive happens. I start to believe that you have soiled your hands somewhere.
That is it.
The gods have deserted you. You no longer hear from them.
May I know how you came about this your conclusion?
How can the gods be quiet and choose a fool to fight an evil that has been decimating our women?
Mistake.
The gods of Umudim have never abandoned us to a foreign evil. Have they?
No.
Away!
I do not have the words and privilege to challenge the Igwe. But let me remind you, His Royal Majesty, that the choice of Ezemo is not the privilege of ordinary mortals.
What if the gods have rejected the Ezemo? Must we continue to put our trust in the divination of a man that has been rejected by the gods?
The minds of the gods are not the minds of men. The gods are wise.
If the gods are angry with you, there is nothing we can do about it. But there's something we can do about this evil.
Exactly.
Men of God, called to the High Commission, what has happened to us?
I came here to call you stupid person. You are your stupid master. You killed my wife. What is man? What is the matter? Why are you disturbing my peace? You are the one disturbing our peace. With your loud prayers in the night. Did I come to your house to pray? I was praying here. All land belongs to us. And we do not take it kindly with strangers who disturb our peace in the night while worshipping our gods. Your gods are mere idols. You all need to repent and accept Christ. Which Christ? The only God we know. The devil is at work.
I think it's time we begin to point out some certain things to the Jew based on Bible principles.
Let's leave Bible for once. What came over the Jew to appoint a woman head of finance, and admin in our church?
Why do you envy my position?
Me, Pastor James, envy you. For what? You claim you're a woman of God and you know the word very well. Tell me, was there a woman amongst the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ? And as a church of Christ, are we not expected to emulate Christ?
But there were women like Joanne and Susanna who followed Jesus Christ and catered for his needs.
Did he make them head over the men? Or are we falling into apostasy?
You taught in Sunday school. You are very familiar with what our Lord Jesus Christ told Nicodemus in the book of John chapter 3, 1 to 21. A born again is like wind that knoweth not where it comes from or where it's going.
It is not the wind of God that is blowing you. Rather, it is the wind of the evil ones that is blowing you to a village parish.
I flatly denied all the allegations because I know that they were manufactured straight from the pit of hell.
Lie! The scripture says there's no mercy for anybody who tries to cover his sins.
The same scriptures say in the book of Romans chapter 14 verse 4, not to judge until the time comes.
Nearly all the books in the Bible condemns sexual immorality. And when that sexual immorality happens to the church of God, it stinks to the high heaven.
But the Bible says that when a brother falls, we should restore him.
But that's what we've just done. That's what we've just done. Yala village. Let him go to the village.
If you know about righteousness, why don't you envy and jealous me?
Gentleness is of the Spirit of God. But you see, rage, anger is of the flesh. Go and read Galatians 6.
The same Galatians 6 you are quoting, that same verse in the Bible lists envy as a fruit of the flesh.
Whatever we do as leaders of the church reflects on the congregation.
Definitely.
In Matthew 19 verse 12, he told his disciples that some people, meaning his ministers, will become eunuchs for the kingdom's sake.
In the same Bible, Apostle Paul in 1 Corinthians 7 verse 8 through 9 said, if a man loses his wife and wants to remarry, can remarry.
That is if they cannot control themselves. For Christ's sake, he was referring to the widows and not widowers.
What is good for the goose is also good for the gander.
Don't bring worldly quotations to the Church of God. Pastor James, can't you control yourself?
We're not talking about controlling sexual appetite here.
No! Don't tell me that! This bloodshed can never be my home.
Our Lord Jesus was born in a manger.
He only spent the night in a manger. He was a builder and a carpenter. He never lived in a place like this. You don't know this is my husband. My name is not Ungonshi. My name is Ogechi. Your name is Ogechi. Imagine this week. I will show you how I fly in the afternoon. Jesus! I didn't know it was you. He did slapped me. He slapped me. Oh my God, am I now? Oh my God, am I now? Lagos. Instead of settling down and making money, you came back with a Yoruba girl. Your wife again, she's here, pregnant for you. You're now calling her Lagos.
Now your parents are also pregnant.
Hey! Get up from my bed. You are sneezing rubbish.
I can now sing your song. Are you serious? Let me sing for you now. I'm listening. Okay, take position. Get ready to
Okay.
Okay. Oh, if them there we wear the argument so punya.
You have fetched ants infested firewood. Get ready for the visit of the lizards.
See, if Lagos, you brought her all the way from Lagos to come and disturb my peace here. Can't me and my husband have a moment of peace in this house? Emma, we need to sorrow. You have 1 month.
My Neo! Ay! Come. My knee, you know.
Let me bring it down. Let me bring it down. Don't come. Put it. Oh yeah. Don't stay like that.
Massage my leg.
My waist.
What is it that my soul is giving you? That no other man outside would not give you. Let me tell you what it is that my husband does. It is called EBELE Okaro, plate washing.
Tell me which place is over Igbo worship for you that you want to die in this God-forsaken, poverty-ridden environment. Show me the place and let me break it. Show me, I want to break it.
That plate is unbreakable. You know that plate, eh? It is in between the inner couples.
The crowning of the lion is not without the consent of the gods. 2, the left hand is closer to the anus. Because your reputation as a disciplined spiritualist stands taller than you. 2, your Igwe is my close associate in the state traditional council.
Igwe, I heed your call because of the respect my Igwe has for you. He sends his condolence over the death of your wife, the queen. All the queens in the palace are all mourning her.
It is terrible. May the gods help you to help us. But let me ask, Okosis, have you heard of a thing like this before?
Isiala. Yes. Isiala. There was a terrible spirit terrorizing everyone in Isiala. He had the head of a lion, then from the waist down, that of a man. In fact, he terrorized all the women. He killed many of them.
But how did they deal with it?
The strongest Dibia was consulted, all to no avail, until they hit the voice of the oracle. Eventually, a 12-year-old boy killed it.
I'm happy to hear that. If the people of Isiala could deal with that kind of monster, I trust that you can do it.
I wish I could.
Sounds disgusting. How do you mean?
Igwe, you know me as a forthright man. I will not lie to you. I consulted all the oracles before embarking on this journey, and the answer is the same. Ikene. The one pointed at by Ezemo is the one the gods have chosen.
But he's a fool!
Yes.
A compound fool!
That is the opinion of man. But the gods have a different opinion. Ikene.
Okay. I'm ready. Let's go for our village meeting. Let's go now, okay?
That meeting is the least thing on my mind now.
No, Biko, we have to go. It's tradition. Let's know what is happening in the village. Please, let's go.
And I said I have so many things bothering me, and the village meeting and tradition or whatever is the least.
I don't understand though.
Now can you look at me? See, with all my money, my wealth, look at my house, my achievements, everything. I am still single. Don't you think it's about time I settle down and have my own family?
Now you're using style to chase me away. You want to tell me that you don't need me in your life anymore? That I should just go?
You are getting it all wrong. See, again, more than ever, I need you more to succeed in this mission.
You need me?
Yes. See, I am not going to marry any of these city girls you see around me. No, not at all. I'm going to the village. I want to select my wife from among my people.
Aha! Personal and I'm separate. Since I came to this city, this is the best thing you have ever said.
You fool.
I'm telling you.
See, you spent most of your time in the village. You know, all those times you were jumping around the bush. Me, I was here, struggling. But I need you now because you know our girls more. You can help me find a girl who is beautiful, good manner, you know, somebody who combines beauty with good character.
You see, that is why I'm your best friend. There's no problem. I know all the girls in the village. I know them. I know the ones who are beautiful. I know the ones who are ugly. I know the ones who don't have character at all. I know the ones who have good character. I know the ones who have bad character. Yes, no problem. I will recommend one girl for you. In fact, I will give you one girl. Special girl.
Thank you very much. Please don't get it twisted. You see, because you're not trying to give me a girl now does not take away the fact that you are my boy. I heard you saying, hey, that's why we are best friends. Yeah, no, you are still my boy, no probation.
Okay, Mbiko, good. I'm waiting for you outside. Let's go for village meeting.
Come here. My boy, my boy.
Jesus!
What? Odini? Yeah?
Honey, is that it?
Oh, my God. Of course.
Hey!
I spent money.
Our house is fine. Our house is very fine. You see, even the Igwe's palace is not as beautiful as this Oke's house.
Yes, my husband's house is beautiful indeed. Hi, Chineke.
Oh, this is your husband I gave you. You will enjoy him. You will enjoy him. See, you will know that city life is much more easier than village life. Yes.
It's my husband's duty to give me easy life. Go to the car and get the food stuff from the boot. Gaba, gaba, gaba. Hey, huh? If you do not do it, who will do it for you? Do you want my husband to do it for you? Or Moabu Kichi? I should go and bring it for you. Or the other we ain't making issue.
For real, Oku separate.
I am not here for your old stories. Okwinano, get me NC, get me. Go and do it now.
See this girl?
Get me.
Who will make me?
Hey!
That's not what you want to say.
What is going on? What is going on? What is going on?
Look at this girl I just gave you now.
Hold on.
I asked him to go and get the food stuff from the boot, nothing else.
So, why are you still wasting time? Go and get the things now. Go to the booth there. I think we have some food stuff there. Take it.
Take key and go.
Hey. I have a present for you.
What is it, honey?
You have a phone now.
It's lovely.
Yeah. More in the bedroom. More surprises in the bedroom. More surprises in the bedroom. Oh, yeah.
Onye ofu n'ike a ga-agba Michael Jackson succeed, yo. Hey.
Custom. Wait, I don't dey here too long now. You don't want to kill you, abi you won't kill her. Yeah.
Wait, what happened? This one wanna two they look on herself like this. When I know herself before.
Okay.
Make una chill. I gonna want marry you.
Okay. 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 Nabiba. Okay, Nabiba. What are you doing here? What am I? You, Nabiba. Is this your house?
Hey.
Do you know what I came here to do?
Okay, so you come here to do dog monkey and pussy attack, okay?
Keep quiet now, what's the problem? Why you shout? But you know,
Beg, go. You know like what you do. Go make another person come.
Okay. Don't get pushed. Hey!
Jesus Christ.
I beg una they make noise here. Go make him come inside.
Who the customer? Yes, customer. You know. Yes, the customer.
I know. This is a warehouse. You came here to supply parts to her. Okay.
The uncle deals on spare parts in Germany.
Hey! Got on personal, autonomous, No problem. Nkechi won't here. No problem.
Which Nkechi? Why will Nkechi here? Do you know what
Wait. This is my guy. Okay, no problem. Just give me money. Let me do my own.
What is your problem, Kene? Why are you talking like this? Do you know if I came here with money, I came to discuss something important? Must I carry money around everywhere I'm going? Is that how you do?
Is that it?
I don't have money.
Nkechi.
Which Nkechi? Nkechi,
give me money now.
Oh, don't tell Nkechi. What are you going to tell her now?
Give Nkechi.
Stop now.
Somebody give me money. Give me money, my guy. Give me money. Let me do my own dog monkey and pussy attack.
Give me money.
Hey. Don't be just to go and drink.
Hey. Okay.
Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Take, go and drink. I know you like drinking.
Did you drink her own? I hope you didn't drink Hatino. This mouth used to eat Nkechi's food. I hope you didn't drink Hatino. I won't hear here. Biko, you're gonna make it.
I beg, go. You know like what you do. Go make another person come.
But you don't know. Here, they may be here. You have nonsense. Something is spoiling. Oh, yeah, take now. It's okay. At least go and drink and be happy.
Okay, this is just for 1 year. I do 2 times, you know.
Yes,
1 year is equal to 1,000 naira. Give me the money.
What is new?
You're going to make go. This is new.
Okay, now the drink that I know.
Food. I need to eat after the years.
Are you mad?
After 2 years.
Don't you eat in the house? Come to the house and eat. If you drink finish, you come to the house and eat.
Hey, can't double them separate. Yemego.
Hey! I'm going now.
Transport.
Give him money, please.
Will I go back with job?
Okay, because I came here to talk small thing.
1,000.
500 is enough for you to.
5 give me. Transport Nkechi, madam of the house. Transport Nkechi, madam of the house.
Sorry. I pay 1,500 transport. It's okay now. How many bottles do you want to drink?
You are still making noise.
Sorry.
I beg, go. Customer, come inside.
Hello.
Do you know him too?
Never go. Go, talk. Go. Hey, okay. Come on, get out from here.
You don't want to find you.
Me, I will do you. Me, do you.
Come.
Hey, what matter you have been tampered with? And they go to the room. They go tamper with.
Hey! So you're going to see the room? I know what to do.
Yes, meet my brother and his wife.
Hi, I'm Vivian. It's nice meeting lovely couple like you.
Yes.
Honey, your brother and his wife do not appear sociable at all.
The thing is that on Wednesdays they don't like to smile. Wednesdays they don't laugh at all in this house. Welcome, let's go to my room.
See, Ekene, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
What is this now? The way you and Nkechi are together, me and Vivian are together like that, too much now. Come, let's go to my room.
Hey! Do you know the implication of bringing in a prostitute into my matrimonial home? Oh, yes.
Okay. What kind of talk is this now?
Don't you look like one?
Which one is prostitute? What's this now?
She not?
Yeah, my guy, Biko. Which one is prostitute? Stop this kind of talk now. What kind of talk is this now? What's wrong with you?
Sorry, before I close my eyes and open them, take this thing out of my house now.
Watch your language, Mr. Man. Don't call me a thing. Is it because I'm in your house? Let me tell you something. If you come to my father's house, you will see the good old wealth. Rubbish. Nonsense. Excuse me.
Vivi.
Hey.
You know what? Ekene, I will not take this.
Don't what kind of talk is that? Do you think I picked her from the bush? Of course. Do you think she's a bushmeat? Do you think I picked her from the bush? What's wrong with you? Why would we talk to her like that? Don't you know she lives in the house? Yeah. Don't let me remind you. Remind of what? I will remind you of your dog, monkey, and pussy attack.
Meaning what?
Meaning I will remind you of your dog, monkey, and pussy attack here now.
Just leave.
Hey, you are still talking. I'll remind you of your
okay now.
Let me go and bring my girl.
Don't bring her.
No, don't bring her. He said, don't bring her. Dog, monkey, and pussy attack.
Hold on now. What I'm saying is that
dog, monkey, and pussy.
You see, you bring to the house. What's the problem? Which kind of thing this one? If you look at the girl's eyes, it's obvious she's no sleep. It is very obvious.
Dog, monkey, pussycat.
Yes, now. But you see, this one is sick. What is even dog, monkey, pussycat? What's that supposed to? Does it make any sense? It's gone mad.
One name why? Miri jura wonu. It is obvious that the men cannot save us. The Igwe has consulted another powerful Dibia, and the message is still the same.
Cherekene one name why? Cherekene ma jogi. How do we expect Ekene to carry out this mission? How do we? How do we expect him?
It is very simple. As the women leader of this community, it is your responsibility to go and bring Ekene back home.
It's okay. I will go and bring him back.
Thank you.
For peace to reign in Umudim.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my sister. May the gods bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you very much. Abani abegukwan, it's night.
Isi konkom efulefu nwa ekene efulefu isi konkom obowe bad boy ekene bad boy isi konkom efulefu nwa ekene efulefu isi konkom obowe bad boy ekene bad boy isi konkom efulefu
¿Qué candió, mami?
You are very fine.
That's good.
You are all doing well.
That's good.
Well. Hey. Where are you?
Oh.
He's there.
Atiawaka. Welcome.
Thank you.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
What is the matter that made you?
Come and sit down. Come and sit down again. I will tell you the words.
Let me sit here.
Okay. Hey, can they work on my? Oh, don't go working. Hey, how am I Kazakwadi? Chai! Okay, in Hamakwa.
Oh, my house, I know. Oh, so Nico, only Bugo. Oh, yeah, Nico.
Oh, what goes here in a village? Oh, goes here, you know, Erika.
Hey! You do a friend.
Welcome, man. Hey. As for the words, I will tell you. Everybody in the village is doing well.
Okay.
Your mother and your sister, they are fine.
That's what I want to hear.
But the problem is that Umudim is not well and fine.
Chai.
Can you imagine that the men in Umudim now fetch firewood and water?
Chai.
I know you must have heard about the death of Ohakim's daughter and the Igwe's wife.
But Auntie, is this the reason you came from the village to the city to tell us what we already know?
Can I calm down? Calm down first. Calm down. Listen.
Ekene, I will tell you even more.
Okay.
Yes. I have come to take you to the village to save us, the women of Umudim, from the evil spirit.
Me? Follow you to Umudim to save the women? Tell all those evil people who invited that evil rapist spirit to solve and fight their evil problems by themselves. Let them fight their evil problems by themselves.
No. I think you're wrong here. See, if this involves threatening our women...
Cool down. Because cool down. Just cool down. Cool down, please.
Okay, no problem.
Cool down. Even if I can save Umudim and their women, why should I do it? Why will I even try it?
Because you're from there.
Women of Umudim do not like me, including her. Yes, this one here, she doesn't like me. Herself and the women, they mock me. This one here and the women, they call me loafer. This woman here and the women, they call me useless. This woman here and the women, they call me stupid. The one that pains me most, is this one that is my friend who is in this house. I didn't call any name. That one is light in complexion, that has the same color with me. That one is the one tormenting my life currently now. So why will I save Umudim women? For what?
Because no. See, even they're expecting me to bring you back to the village. Everybody in the village is expecting me to bring you back. How will I go back and tell them stories? See, even the Igwe.
You see that your Igwe that ordered my flogging, Tell him that I will never, ever in this life do anything for Umudim. I will not. Yes, that is what I said. I will look. I cannot help him use one nika to dance Michael Jackson. You know, I will never do it. Nonsense.
Ici comme fulefu, ici comme bad boy, ekene bad boy, ici comme fulefu, ekene fulefu, ici comme bad boy, ekene bad boy, ici comme fulefu, ekene fulefu, ici comme bad boy.
Ancestors sat on the throne of Umudim. They had challenges, but they were not insurmountable. Why is this problem proving so difficult? You are
Igwe, there is a new and disturbing dimension to this issue. Disturbing is an understatement.
Yes.
It is a threat to the existence of life. Igwe, if something is not quickly done, there will be no more corpses in this land. These women are prepared to do anything. They even decided to take their own lives. Yes.
Igwe, last night they resolved never to share our bed with us until that evil is arrested.
First, they want us to do their traditional works. But they do not want us to do our own reproductive works, Igwe. It is not done.
So this is why you came here this morning so incensed. Because the women are crossing their legs on the witches of the evil.
Igwe, to be forewarned is to be forearmed. It will be the greatest disaster that ever befallen this community. Igwe,
when the women have decided to keep their legs crossed, the authority of the men will be affected. And when the authority of the men are affected, then the throne of the Igwe loses powers.
Nothing is threatening my throne except this evil. Yes, and I am behind the women. They should even seal it with Aradite. I declare Okwaradite in this kingdom. Yes. Be consecrated for once and seek the face of the gods. Look at them. Enyo.
It's not a small thing. Very serious. You see, from the very day he took my wife, and the Igwe did nothing about it, I knew the man has gone soft. You see, a king is supposed to be strong and dynamic. A decision man, if you see him, you see decision. A man who can face challenges at any time.
Yeah, Okoko, the Ezenmo ought to be replaced by now. Because the oracle has departed from him.
Say it, do not shout it. Listen to me.
Yes.
You see, that is the advantage. The Igwe is too short-sighted that they cannot see this. Therefore, it's now our opportunity. It's now an opportunity for us to take a positive step. Yes. We are now holding our collective destinies in our hands. So we should now go and find solution.
Yeah. If Igwe hears this, what will happen?
Before you will hear it, we have already got a permanent solution to this issue.
I think I should.
And we shall be the heroes.
I think I should.
Yes, we shall be the heroes of this community. By then, it's too late for him to react.
You are correct.
That is it. Oh.
That
is it.
You are a wonderful man.
That is it.
Naija, look at it. It is obvious you people came from a very far distance with a hard task. But the oracle says, what you seek lives within you.
But wise one, if what we seek is within us, why have we not been able to conquer it?
Ade brozo wo kese brozo wai. Tonton gengi mazo mara runugu.
Okay.
Nekuni Ekurumie. Jide cho ba di ihe. Jewere ma brozi. Onye na ebo no ha na agu ya ojoka. Doubts. Arabanoka. Every one of you doubts the words of your Ezemo, which he proclaims through his oracle. But unlike men, the gods do not make their choices by physical appearances.
You see, I wanted to say that the choices of the gods has been made is simply impossible.
Serious mistakes from their side.
Ititi koriko. Ititi koriko abaleshika.
Wana barwa di kapa. Ilanya na afu okwe.
Are you the first son of your father?
Yes. Eh? Didn't I tell you? I told you he will see everything. He sees everything.
With men, it is impossible. But with the gods, nothing shall be impossible.
That is why we have consulted distance. We need urgent spiritual intervention at once. The gods must act at once.
Omi yajide kogwe. Omi yajide kogwe. Imana chuku kadibi agwondi oria. Omi yajide kogwe. Okonkwo, the gods have acted. Follow the ways of Yezemo. He has spoken his last through his oracle. Enwe mugbamu kansi emodogudei. Oge kwemdi ibe. Iwu wasi n'akara aka o. Akara aka onye na-edu ya oyi.
If you say we need another opinion, a third one, I will not disagree with you. Hakim,
Igwe,
I have spent sleepless nights wondering how we can get Ekene to do what the gods say.
Igwe, I've heard of Okoro Okanga, who sits on the 6 rivers and lives in the midst of 6 trees. Igwe, they say his divinations are the mind of the gods.
Then get him. If he confirms the boy, then we'll find a way to make him do the will of the gods. Okonkwo, Your Majesty, and Ukumba, you will accompany Hakim to see this Okoro Okanga. Igwe, the truth is that there will be no need for this mission. Okonkwo, Your Majesty, there will be no need for this mission. That there is no need for a mission I ordered.
Igwe,
Hooray!
when Ohakim's daughter and the new bride were taken, you still reposed confidence on the Ezemo. It was Okonkwo and I who took the initiative to have another opinion, Igwe.
Hooray! So you went to consult on behalf of Umudim without my knowledge and permission? Your Majesty, you don't expect us as your able chiefs to just sit down and fold our hands and watch the women folk of this kingdom go into extinction. We did what we did out of desperation.
That is all.
We were pressed to the wall. The entire kingdom, in fact, was almost pressed to the wall. You have to move as your able chiefs.
Oh. And you consulted Okoro Okanga?
Yes, we did.
Igwe, his divination was forthright. He pointed in the same direction. That same boy, Ekene.
Things are happening in my kingdom.
Igwe, Kanya Adena, Anele. And I have somebody a jog. You are equal to the task. We must move ahead.
We must move forward. We must move forward. Look for this Ekene or whatever he calls himself. Wherever he is, tie him up and bundle him to this village. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. We will do it. We will do it. We will do it.
Now be this man we come dey knock us Oshobamba.
Shut up, Oga.
What's happening?
Leave me. Oga, you, okay. Oga manager, you know me now. They come here every time. So, you. Okay. Now 1,000 naira I do buy you for here. Then sometimes they okay. Sometimes then they pity me. They give me 500 naira per you. Wait, you know they give 500 naira per you. You know they give 500 naira per you.
Shut up,
Today I can't say make I come can't do my normal you. And then I come. I do one you for down. I go up. I do one you for up. Nine. This greedy one. This greedy one for here. Come say I own you na 2,000 naira. Like say I own you na black market.
You know the show upstairs and downstairs no be the same price.
Your shower money don't increase. Your something increase.
Increase.
Something increase. I don't say your own increase. Yes, not be the same size.
Oga, listen, calm down. Ma tell you, all these Ashawo girls, all of them sis as they be. They don't send you. Now you send yourself. But I won't make them easy for you as a fine boy. Yeah? Give me your phone. Huh?
Bring your phone.
Give me your phone. If I leave all these girls, they go rugged you. Collect your pants. Even your boxers inside. Carry on, you go walk out like this, go house. No go wear anything. Just give me your phone. I won't save you so.
But all this Iba you have here, now you want to do a show go free, eh? No go happen.
Shut up! Come on, shut up! You! Which phone you use?
No, see now. No care lantern. Now it. Oga, give my property now.
Oga, see, ma tell you. You know say everything for this life get levels. As you no get connect, and only collect you get. So ma just leave you. Oh yeah, come they go. Tomorrow you go come. I'll give you the phone for my office.
Give my.
Hey, shower upstairs and downstairs no be the same.
Nkechi, what is it now? Let me watch my ball now.
Ekene, I have no business with this your ball. And for your own information, stop calling me Nkechi in this house. I am the madam of this house.
Huh? Nkechi? Wait. Nkechi, have you forgotten yourself?
I said this is the last time you should address me as Nkechi in this house. Call me madam. I am the madam of this house. Call me madam.
Hey. Madam of this house, please let me watch this ball. This is the only time to watch ball. This is the only time this match is going on. Biko.
Ekene, I said I have no business with this your ball. I have no business with this.
Madam of this house. Look at me, oh. No, look at me, oh. It's Ekene, oh. It's Ekene you played with in the village, oh. Ekene you did everything with in the village, oh. Let me watch my ball now.
That was then. I thought and acted like a village girl then. Now I am a city girl. I am married to a city man. So I have grown up. So you, Ekene, grow up.
Biko, madam of this house. Madam of this house. Madam of this house. Please, I don't have TV in my room. You have TV in your room. Go to your room and watch what you want to watch. Let me watch this my ball now.
I don't know. You don't have TV in your room because you're still squatting in my husband's house. You're still doing boy here.
Yeah? Engage. Madam of this house. I'm separate too. Huh? What is this now? Hey! Wonder shall never end though. Look at you.
Wonders will never end. Eh? Because the village virgin Ekene has become a dog in the city, following girls up and down.
Let me watch my ball, though. Let.
Come on, watch it. Watch it. Delay ya lebo away. Lebo ya.
Yeah. Is this real or separate dream? Huh? Yeah, I'm not separate. They couldn't get you. Yeah.
My baby is unnaturally quiet this morning. I hope all is well. Or do you need to see a doctor?
Honey, I am fine. But I need to see the doctor.
Okay, that's fine. I can call him up so you go and see him and have a comprehensive checkup.
Honey, just only one checkup. Only one checkup. That's what I need. Yeah.
Why one checkup?
Honey, come and sit down. Pregnant.
Is a lie. A what? No. I need to start kissing the boy now, okay?
How did you know it's a boy?
Of course I know. I am the person that put it there.
Oh, yeah?
You've forgotten I was really very hard. What?
Oh, me fat nebe, oh, well, sense. Yes, when he corner coeli, so some come a bunny. Cassia me, oh, mamma, Cassia mena, conebe, so ebenine, get a caye, make oh, boy, bad boy, ekene bad boy, is he come, efule, fuma, ekene fulefu, is he come,
Don't you have eyes? Are you not seeing that I'm seeing you? Are your eyes not telling you I'm seeing you?
So, you can't greet me, eh?
Huh? Yeah? Nkechi, it's again. No, it's again. Oku asiki don't know put that for real. Eh? Did this thing come out from your mouth for real or put that no separate? It came out from your mouth separate. Am I not older than you?
Ekene, that was in the village. That was there. The meaning of age in the village is different from the meaning of age in the city. Akwena no?
Bia. Nkechi.
Because Baka.
I can't worry, no mistake. Madam of the house. You see this madam of the house, I have been calling you in this house. Now, it's just for peace to reign, no? But you see this particular one, I don't agree. I will never do it. You understand? I will never ever do it.
You are talking as if you have a choice.
Why would I have a choice? What is going on here? What is happening? Shut up! Shut down your stupid mouth before I land you a dirty slap.
Okay?
Oh, shut up! Don't utter a word. My wife is right. Oh, yes. There's a very big difference between the age in the stupid village and the age in the city. This is a civilized world, Mr. Man.
Okay, are you listening to yourself? No, can you just hear yourself?
No, I should be asking you, are you reasoning well? Like, are you reasoning like a human being? See, my wife and I are the same. Okay? We are two become one. So the kind of respect you accord to me is the same respect you should accord to her. She is in charge.
Okay? See, I know tradition and I know you know tradition. I will only take orders from you because I am in this house and you built this house. You understand? I can take orders from you sometimes, just because this is your house. But you see, taking orders from a woman, I can never.
Oh, shut up your mouth before you land yourself a dirty slap. Are you stupid? And let me warn you, you're not just taking order from me because you are under my roof, because you're in my house, but because I'm your boss. I'm What's wrong with you?
Hush! I don't want to hear anything from your mouth again. Try me. I mean, Sagala now. Yala.
Sweetheart.
My love.
Ha! Papa, okay. Papa, okay. Sorry. It is because of your head, okay, used for rituals and built this house. That is why he has mouth to insult me. Papa, okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Papa, okay. Sorry, sir. Yes, meet my brother and his wife.
Hi, I'm Vivian.
Vivi.
It's nice meeting lovely couple like you.
Yes.
Honey, your brother and his wife do not appear sociable at all.
The thing is that on Wednesdays they don't like to smile. Wednesdays they don't laugh at all in this house. Welcome, let's go to my room.
See, Ekene, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
What is this now? The way you and Nkechi are together, me and Vivi are together like that, too much now. Come, let's go to my room.
Hey! Do you know the implication of bringing in a prostitute into my matrimonial home? Oh, yes!
What kind of talk is this now?
Does she look like one?
Which one is prostitute? What's this now? She not? Yeah, my guy, Biko. Which one is prostitute? Stop this kind of talk now. What kind of talk is this now? Huh? What's wrong with you?
Sorry, before I close my eyes and open them, take this thing out of my house now!
Watch your language, Mr. Man. Don't call me a thing. Is it because I'm in your house? Let me tell you something. If you come to my father's house, you will see the good old wealth. Rubbish. Nonsense. Excuse me.
Vivian.